Hey art friends, today we thought it would be fun to celebrate Mole Day. What are we going to draw?
A mole.
Yeah, dressed up as a chemist. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're using marker paper to draw on. We also have our markers to draw with, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You could even use crayons. Let's start by drawing our little mole's nose. I'm going to draw an oval or a circle in the middle of my paper. And then we can draw the mouth. We're going to draw a really tiny mouth. And then let's draw glasses. We're going to draw the part that goes over our mole's nose. And we could also draw another curve right above it, so it's thicker. Then we're going to draw the big lenses for the glasses. We don't want to draw them too big, but I'm going to draw a circle about that size. And then we're going to draw a circle to match over here. That's okay if it doesn't. Oh, this one got a little bumpy. Good job. You did awesome. Nice. Okay, now let's draw the inside. We'll draw a smaller circle for the rest of the frames for our glasses. And then let's draw another circle inside for our mole's eyes. And then I'm going to draw a smaller circle inside of that one, but up to the top left of the circle so that we can leave it white. This makes the eyes look shiny. Then on each side, let's draw a little bump coming out. Now let's draw our mole's head. We're going to start here. I'm going to come up, over, and down. Then we're going to draw the lab coat. I'm going to start here, and we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down, and then we're going to draw another diagonal line that comes in to meet on that side too. Then right here, let's draw a line that comes across. And then we're going to draw the collar inside of here. So I'm going to draw an upside down letter V. And then we can also draw a tie for our little mole. I'm going to draw a smaller letter V, and then we can draw 2 lines down. Let's give him a black tie. We're going to color that in. Then we can draw the collar on our lab coat. I'm going to draw 2 diagonal lines, one on each side. Then we'll draw it coming in. And then we'll draw an upside down V. And then we can connect it to the middle. Let's do the same thing over here. We'll draw it coming in, upside down V, and then connecting into the middle. Now let's draw our mole's arms. We're going to draw really short arms sticking out from the collar. And then we'll draw it coming in and then back up. But I'm not connecting. This is where the armpit is on our mole. And then we could draw another line or a diagonal for the sleeves. And then let's draw a little hand sticking out on each side. Now let's draw the rest of his body and his lab coat. I'm going to draw a line coming down from his arms, but I'm also trying to line it up with the side of his head. And then we can draw a line connecting those together. Let's draw the lab coat coming down in the middle. And we can also add a little button and a pocket. Let's draw a square. Ooh, we could also even give him some markers or pens inside of his pocket. And then, oh, let's finish his body coming out of the lab coat. And his little feet sticking out the bottom. We could also give him a little tail sticking out, too. Oh, let's do one more. Let's give him a little beaker, too, or a little test tube. So we could draw 2 lines sticking out. And then I'm going to draw a line, or we could even turn it into a rectangle small. And we did it, except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match your same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yep.
Awesome, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our moles, dressed up as chemists. They turned out awesome. I especially love yours.
I like yours too.
Thanks. I also added a background. I have a laboratory with all his chemistry stuff.
Yeah. You could add even more moles in the background.
Oh yeah, and his buddies, chemist buddies.
Yeah. You could also color your mole different.
Yeah, you don't have to match the same coloring. But I think it turned out really cool, especially that our 2 moles don't look exactly the same. And that's because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.